Okay, look, here we go. So, what I'm going to do for this, I'm going to show you the way I solve this question. The way I solve this question is going to be the way that Caleb's going to solve it. Caleb's going to pretend there's no denominator there. He's just going to deal with the numerator. So, can you be brave, please, and just simplify the numerator? What would you do?
Well, I just I combine all the top numbers together. So
Okay, good.
And we ended up with 212,
Yeah.
13, and y8.
Wonderful.
And then just subtracting from.
Now, what you're to do is here, right? This is a two-step question, and one grade 10, I'm allowed to give you two-step questions. All right, so do the numerator first, right? Once you're done with the numerator, then do your denominator, right? Okay. So, Jenna, subtraction time. Go ahead.
Wait, so do I start with the...
Yeah, so 2 to the something, x to something, y to something. Go ahead.
Is it a negative?
Nope.
I'm confused.
Okay. So all we're doing for this, you're just subtracting, right? So it's going to be just 12 minus 8, 13 minus 9, and then 8 minus 5. Right? So it's going to be 2 to the 4, right? Because the 2's just go together, right? The x's go together, so x to the 4, and then 8 minus 5, y to the 3.
Oh, okay, sorry, I was doing all of the top. Wait, how'd you get x to the 4?
Is that 13 minus 9? Is that?
Yeah.
I just want to make sure.
Oh, for some reason I got 9.
It's okay.
I don't know how I did that one. Okay.
It's all right. Okay. Somewhat clear. This is somewhat okay for people. This is coming back a little bit. I hope. Okay, so I'm going to the next step. How are we doing for time? I gotta keep moving here. Find my note would be good. Next we're doing. All right, Derek, I'd like you to play along for me, and don't just give me the answer. When you cube something, what happens when you cube something? Yeah, times it by itself 3 times. So this is actually x squared, x squared, x squared. Right, that's what that actually means. Aiden, using your great mathematical mind, what is x squared times x squared times x squared equal to? X to 6. Okay. Molly, I'd like to be brave, please, and tell me an instant way I can get from x squared cubed all the way down to x6. There's a way I can do it. Okay. Okay. So when you raise, this is called the power of power law, I believe. The power of power law says to raise a power to a power, oh boy. Write the base, then multiply the exponents. Okay, so what I'm saying is where I know you can't see, I'm sorry, my hair is enormous, I get it. AM times L. Alright, the nice thing about math is there's lots of laws. I'm going to pause and tell you guys a joke. I don't want to the internet share this joke. So let's get back to our joke. Ha ha ha, wasn't that funny? Example 3. Okay, this is another one that's commonly done incorrectly. I don't have to, by the way. All right, good. Nick, what's 5 cubed squared equal to?
Would it be 11?
Careful, okay? So, what we're doing for this is, right, the base is staying the same, right? It's 5. So that's just going for 6, right? Right, we're just doing 3 times 2 for that, okay? Pick one that's a little bit more awesome. Ooh, here's the calculator one. Yes, I'm cruel. Yes, I am that mean. I just did it. Okay. Lindsay, hopefully you have your 14 times 13 times written down. What does that turn into, please? 192? 182. Okay, I haven't actually told you this law, but I'm going to just do it rather with a law. I'm just going to do it with an example instead. Okay, if the question, so I'm running low on time here. If I go 2 to the 3 x to the 4 squared, okay? Bailey, you got it. Bailey, what do?
You like break the two in the next part, so it'll be 2 to 6.
Good. So what's going to happen? Thank you, Bill. So what's going to happen is here we're going to multiply the 2 gets multiplied to each power. So that should turn into 2 to the 6 x to the 8. Now this is the one that starts getting people, so I'm going to take a step back and make sure life is good. I know you guys are scribbling furiously, okay, so I'm just going to take a second here, take a breather. No, we're good. All right, this is another one here, example 3 that people mix up all the time, so we'll put a star beside it. Example 4, I guess. Okay, I'm going to hit pause on the video, and I want you guys to try that for yourselves.